What is the importance of having home insurance? Why is it so important?
So I believe it's very important because it protects your family in case anything happens. For example, if you're without a home, where are you going to stay? The home insurance will pay you to stay somewhere else while you build back your home or repair your house. And another thing, it's because other than that, mortgages do require you to have home insurance because that's their asset, you know. Plus, it's if it's not your biggest purchase, it is one of your biggest purchase in what you're gonna buy in your lifetime. A home. You create
Absolutely.
a home, so you have to protect your home.
Absolutely. So you're telling me that if someone has home insurance and let's say there's a fire in the house, so the home insurance would actually cover for them to be living at a hotel while the home is being repaired?
That's right. It will cover for you to place you somewhere else. You can rent a place for you to feel more comfortable because a lot of people don't like hotels, let's say. They prefer having like a kitchen, or own kitchen or a kitchenette because you can't eat out all the time. You have
Right.
to have like a little bit of sense of like hominess while you lost your home or your home is being repaired. So it will put you somewhere else as well for your living expenses. So
Okay.
that's what's important.